Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now, as you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing two straps from the company Montreux, who sent these over to me. They didn't send these to me because of any kind of affiliation. I watched a video from Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch where he was giving away these straps. Now, I wasn't the actual winner of the giveaway. However, I was the first alternate winner. So I want to give a shout out to Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch for having Montreux send these over. Thank you very, very much. And secondly, a big shout out to Montreux Straps for sending these over so quickly. I'm going to be leaving a link to Wrong Time Watch in the description, along with both the giveaway announcement and the winner announcement videos that Kevin posted. I'm also going to leave a link to Montreux in the description so that you can check out their watch straps. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's get to unboxing. Now, I haven't seen these at all, other than I got to pick the colors out, so I was pretty excited about that. I think one of them is going to go on my Seiko SKX 007. I've got a standard rubber strap on there, but let's see about these. Now, all their straps come in these boxes like this. These are not labeled in any way, so let's see. Ooh, yes, there we go. So we've got the blue strap and a black strap. Now, what do you think? I think maybe we could go with a color pop of blue on here. Oh man, that's nice. The FKM rubber on these is so nice. It's very, very soft. Let's look at the black one. The black one's the same. They're going to be the same thing. Interestingly enough, though, I don't seem to have the quick release pin for this one, which is not a big deal. Just interesting that it would ship that way. So let's get these set up on my wrist. I'll be right back. So a slight change of plans. The straps are a bit too small for my SKX 007. Those are like 22 mil straps, and these are only 20 mil straps. So I did the next best thing. I put the blue FKM strap on my Seiko 5 homage watch. And I will tell you that this rubber is super supple and soft. And it looks really good. It's a signed strap here with the Montreux logo and a little cross there. And these quick releases go on really, really easy. Now, the one that was missing the quick release, I just put a regular spring bar in, and that seemed to help everything. This was just a real quick video for me to unbox these Montreux watch straps that I got from Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch off of one of his video giveaways. Like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to him, please do. It's a great channel with lots of wonderful information. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so as well. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a great day.